Hi guys, here I am with another Scrap Your Stash Saturday. This is the Citrus Twist. I'm finally going to use this paper, guys. Finally going to do it. And on this one, I ripped it and put the big sheet over here. And this time I think I'm going to switch it around. I knew I felt something on me. Dadgum hair. Anyway. Moving on. So when I say Scrap Your Stash Saturday, I'm pretty sure that's not a new thing. Like, I didn't come up with that. But I do mean to get into your goodies. And this is all from, I keep all my Citrus Twist stuff in the little baggies that they actually send them in. I keep all the paper in one of those, all the alphas in one of them, and then I have some like little iris containers over here that I keep all my little ephemera bits and extra pieces in. Ah, gosh, I love how that just came out. Anyway, I did pop this out as well. Maybe I'll turn it, not sure yet. And so all of this is from Citrus Twist, actually. But I am scrapping. This was, gosh, probably 2 years ago now. A friend of ours was getting married. And there's the L. Ah, I was looking for that. Okay, I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to sit it right there. Like you guys know where I'm talking about. Anyway, focus. It was a wedding we were going to. And so I took some pictures of us. Okay, so, let's see, this was at the house, so it should be number 1, and I do have my 1, 2, and 3 out here, because I do want to use those. This one looks like it's at the house too, so we'll pop that in number 2. It says top 5, but I don't have 5 pictures, so... Oh, you know what? This will probably fit better on here. Just to give it a little bit of a background. Matting, excuse me. Then I think I'll pop this one over here. Oh, you know what? I could use these. A little bit different. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to use this little card now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to pass on the card because it's not going to be working. Okay, so, oopsie. Actually, we'll put it towards the middle because do we want it hanging off? Ooh, oh, shoot, get over there. do kind of like that. Yeah, okay. Now, that was the last one. This is the first one, and this is the third one. Now, I've got my 1s, 2s, and my 3s. Uno. Okay, wasn't prepared for that to move. Ooh, I should have put the 1 on the other side. Don't think I'm going to be able to fix that now. Note to self, think it through a little more. 2 and 3. Okay, feeling pretty accomplished already. So our title is going to say feels like joy. Not sure where I want to put it yet. And I'm not sure how much longer my battery is going to last, so I'm kind of feeling a little rushed right now, and I apologize for that. But we're just going to wing it. I brought these little border pieces out, thinking we could use those on up. Pop it down just a little bit. There we go. Okay. And I think I'm going to pop one of these down here just to kind of be like, here's the title. Because it is kind of a little blending in. I wonder if I should put this up here. Just to kind of give it a border. Not a border, but like point to it, sort of. Anyway, this one says a moment in time. And I thought it was cute because it was just me, my husband, and my daughter had went to this, and it's not often we have time alone with just one of our kids. I've tried to get better at this, but you know, life happens. So this one says, here we go. And I always think of that song, which I'm not going to sing it, but it's like, here we go again. Yeah. And I got this little butterfly I thought would be cute over here. I thought adventuring would be cute. And I did want to bring this in. I don't know, I'm kind of liking it the way it is. I know we need to have some sprinklies brought in. Oh, what about a arrow? What about a gold arrow? Yes, please. I probably have these over here in my sprinkler bucket, but okay. I thought I had some puffy ones. I'm pretty sure I do somewhere. Oh. Boom shakalaka. I'll lock it. Nice. Okay. Don't know about them reds. Yeller, you could come on in, I do believe. Bring in some turquoise, because who doesn't love turquoise? Come back here. Get down there. I'm gonna put a heart. What is that? I don't know. It's touching me again. Now those are two different size hearts, huh? Be a monkey's uncle. Maybe they're three different sizes. No. It's okay. It's okay. Boom. All right. Guess I'm kind of feeling like since though they all kind of need to have a dot on them, so naturally I'm going to overdo it because it's what I do. All right, guys. That's it, though. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you remember to get your own crafty time in. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.